Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. What are you doing? No, don't put the apple on me. Can you get the apple off? Can you get the apple off me? Mariah. Say hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Hi.
Hi, what are you doing? You eating apple? Did you just put that on me? Why you put that on me? Mariah. Mariah. Okay. Well, don't put it back in your mouth. Don't hit me. Look, that's abuse. That's not nice. Say sorry. Say sorry. Say sorry. Give me. Say sorry. Say sorry, mommy.
Come on, babe, move out my way.
Mariah. Mariah. Say sorry. No, not hi. No, you gotta say sorry. You gonna say sorry?
Hi.
Hi. Well, I forgive you. Say thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. So what are you doing? Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Mariah. So can you at least say bye-bye? Oh, you want to read? Show mommy how you read. Go ahead. Show me how you read. What's that? What does that say? That's Disney? Yeah? Go ahead. Read to mommy. Yeah? You gonna read to mommy? Go ahead. What does it say? What does it say? It says, I can do it. Yeah, you big girl. Go ahead, read, big girl. Go ahead. What does it say? Huh? What does it say? You gotta turn one page at a time. Look like this. Okay, look, like this. See? Look, it's a different page. What does that say? What does it say? What? What does it say? Huh? You gonna read to me? Yeah? Go ahead. Do you want mommy to read to you? You want me to read to you? Mariah. Mariah. Do you want me to read to you? Yeah? Say please. Say please. Say please. Okay, I'll read to you. So say bye-bye so I can turn it off.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.